A HuggingFace API key is an important asset in order to unlock a lot of the better models or additional features inside of Navigator. In order to add your HuggingFace API key, you will navigate to the Profile and then Settings menu in the bottom left, where you can see in the API key setting that you can add and manage your API keys. If you need to add one, then you select Add, and you can select the key if you have one, but if you don't, then you can visit the website and create an API key. Hugging Face keys are free to create and fairly straightforward. Once in there, you will navigate over to the left sidebar where you can select your settings, and inside of settings, you'll go to access tokens. From here, you will log into Hugging Face or create an account if you don't have one and see your existing access tokens. You can then create a new one. For most of the functionality in Navigator, you will want a write access token. However, if you want to create different fine-grained ones, you can. Go ahead and give this token a name and create it. From there, you'll copy the token and navigate back to Navigator. Once back in Navigator, you select the token, give it a friendly name inside of Navigator, and paste in your API key and add it. Then it will be part of your keychain that you can use through various different areas of the application. For example, inside of projects, you'll be able to then go to the LLM element and see additional models that are available once you have added or select an existing API key. You can always add a new API key from that menu as well, in addition to the main settings menu that we saw earlier. Once you add these keys, you'll see that a lot of models will then have the key icon turn green, and you'll be able to use them and deploy them using Navigator.